It's on this English speaking try on this village and adventure. This is of this little. Hey guys, welcome back to my second vlog of this YouTube channel. So my name is Lohit Hassan and I am exploring this village of the cities and everything is this channel of this available. So I am morning in the early in the morning of this around of this village and so will be not an etc. So I my second vlog of this YouTube channel upload and this is for of this dhan and this is of this. Wow, nice, this nice. And most of the people we have to and business of this village because the natural of this village and etc. So I am morning is the 5 a.m. So I am ready. Today is Sunday. So because I don't know the school, I did not school of this my school. So suddenly I have this Sunday and this is the school of this band of I have this any other thing of my lifestyle. So this don't skip this video. Winter season of this water of this river and now it's the boat on this soil. After 5 months of this rain of this come here, so then boat of this river and this is very of this luxury of this village boat. So don't skip this video and nice. This is for of this morning and the early in the morning this village look. It's on this English speaking try on this village and adventure. This is of this little brother on this Anja. So then what's your name?
My name is Dubat Rahman.
Yes, please. And what is your father name?
My father name is Wahidur Rahman.
Yes, and what is your mother name?
My mother name is Desmond Hashmi.
Wow, nice to meet you. Who are you?
I am fine.
Who are you? Who are you?
ओ भाई मारो मुझे
Who are you?
Yes bro.
मैं वीडियो आना निक सॉन्ग.
No, it's not. तुम कौन हो? Who are you?
I am Dubat.
Yes. Like, what are you doing?
Huh?
What are you doing?
I doing play.
Yes, this of this kids on this English is speaking and nice to this for nice for this nice and so, yes bro, what is your name? Yeah, it's not and this is for not what is your name?
My name is Parvez Hassan.
What is your village name?
My village name Mubak. My
Oh,
village
no,
name Vivos.
it's topper of this topper. And what is your village name?
My village name is Tomatabra.
Yes.